Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your PC runs a recent Windows 11 build and widgets are enabled in Settings. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account so widget data and preferences sync across devices. Now open the Widgets panel by clicking the taskbar Widgets icon or pressing Win+W. You're ready to add content. The panel shows recommended and installed widgets. Make sure to pause and verify your account appears at the top before proceeding. Now you'll add and tailor widgets. Click the plus button inside the Widgets panel to open the widget gallery, then pick any widget you want. Once widgets appear on the board, drag them to rearrange order and use the three-dot menu on each widget to resize or remove it. To personalize recommendations, click Manage Interests or the gear icon to edit topics and news sources. This tuning makes the feed relevant. Make sure to test resizing and placement so the layout matches your workflow. To finish, confirm the layout and close the panel. Widgets will remember positions. If you use multiple monitors, open widgets on each display to check consistency. For any widget that freezes or displays stale info, remove it and re-add to force a fresh configuration. If problems persist, make sure Windows is fully updated and your Microsoft account sync is active. This resolves most loading errors. Finally, rebooting Explorer or signing out and back in can clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.